Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And nice day here for the bulls, so some updates here certainly need to be made. First thing I'm going to do at this point now is just go ahead and get rid of this green line down here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The newest update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So I talked about past couple of days, 0.026 as a level of resistance. And in terms of, when they're broken, wanting to see them act as support, that's already happened a couple of times right there. So you could throw this right into a textbook. But a classic example, again, of resistance turning into support. And going forward, yeah, you ideally do want to see the price stay up above 0.026. And you also have the purple line here, which did a fantastic job of holding up support. So this is why I laugh at people. All charts don't work. Well, look at all the numerous occasions people could have bought at the 50, and now anybody that did that at any of those points in time, they're now smiling ear to ear. So a great example there of how, not to mention right here, look how it bounced right off the purple line. So in other words, that purple line really does seem to be a solid trend indicator, and as long as the price is above it, then the bulls are in full control. Now, what about levels of resistance? Next key battleground, to me, sits right there at 0.029, and I do want to map out one more. After 0.029, then you're talking about essentially just the highs where it finally petered out, and that's up there at about the 0.032. So yes, 0.032 up here is indeed a level of resistance, but before you start talking about that one, 0.029 is going to be that initial hurdle that first needs to be crossed. All in all, though, very nice day, so it'll be interesting to see how this one trades and unfolds tomorrow to close out the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.